Wow, it's Mera on the mix.
The perfect producer.
Yeah, Okwaso Bokona way there me bane so we for ntimena menam me den samena bo abotre me de aka ne be ya motam me ni pakasi bi ba be hia me pese mo se me se wanu hwam anokwa me stress mu betie ne waso pe African star biologist innovator and philanthropist bana body emu nyansa pe na waka ho a wuntimi nyina so bi osan ye founder of the Christo Asafo Amin CRC o share na sorry ase was 1969 eto aso ni ye fa de share kwajo safo kantan kate na himwam ye wo ne August received 1948 na hini ni chrome obeto be kwai as in Ashanti region of Ghana ye bi so say ye ka brave fita na tete a witimi nyini din fimo owie basic to aso secondary na wonya de gu ye pe Ghana technical works in Kumasi na wakodom ye after there no kodi fie miensa over ko no ye den na waka na de bom obro ni beka ne warden na say o share na sorry ase ne wonya ne beta na emu odin na ye pai boku wode ne kakra sa no say wona na wodi wachi ne penentem se wonya ya na ben asori de gumpen na na so nyamensa wom dia eden watena be ya pia dipa adwan konkonta ton woni me na wo se waka asem afie du pepepe na bam February 3rd 71 asori ni timi sa bankom nya Ghana nko abi wo UK Italy na fede more to come watena bompata bobra with agriculture organically se bandro wo wi ase a one in the number se bana mamre na mane you know you never jokes with the culture to me nantifiti a chen moda the bank kan and who does that no one be kra nie obeka ne wanya ya wie 76 onya ni wufu asa tutu adam mepie and watch ya ne nsempe edam ne te ya besi ne obi a wawu for more than 5 hours o see then yo yeah the world greatest multidimensional scientist and tech great Kaswa company and he made cars himself in 2015 a manufacturing and will be a more the next the only African I would can yeah heavy duty machine first. Oh, fiti krotiana fe motenenka udina oda nyankonto atwane washia odon bury me kantanke abibi manani bie woni anani aso oh fiti krotiana fe motenenka udina oda nyankonto atwane washia odon bury me kantanke abibi manani bie woni anani aso West African first person I would can build electric car 7 strings I no pen what my be am a bass guitar radio consoles robots the armor cars and a whole lot special TV type the V8 the cranes and a lot more engineering and our soul doctorate in so wajibi twice Nobola Fred University in Ukraine and also nice with them wa wabu nipa ebini akwasibu adimukai father warity yanko from hone yakwa checking the personal life wa wumma mumie no ba ne bury mabako na wa ba ne mebo ni din your friend Sarah Adwa Safo or your lawyer no sign your MP for the Dominic Kwabenya Peswaso yebetwaso or ware 2019 and a fenso kwajo Safo Kantanka Junior where you senior entrepreneur and a fenso a trained pilot now a leader for the camel so who the symbol where Treasure Katanka is in the building subscribe to my channel on the bottom and so cause I'm waiting large.
Wow, it's Mera on the mix.